Do you want more clients for your business? In this video, I will show you how you can get more clients automatically for your business. This is an n8n automation where I will show you to how to build n8n LinkedIn profile scraper so that you can scrap the data of the ideal clients, so you can simply message them, email them and close them and convert them into a client. All right, I will show you how you can build this automation, so let's jump on it. As you see on my screen, this is tool called n8n. You can find the link in my video description. Okay, so you need three different tools for this. First, n8n. Second, you need Epify. Okay, from where we actually scrap the data. Third, you need the Apollo. So you don't need to do much on the Apollo. You can simply create a free account over there, apply some filters and use the URL. Okay, and last tool that you need is the Airtable. Okay, so I will show you how you can build this whole automation. So let's start with that. First, we use the automated trigger over here, so that once we click on the button, this start and scrape the data for us of our ideal client data and bring us the results. All right, then second, it is over here scrape leads data. So for this, first go on the Epify. You can find the link in the description. Go on the Epify, create your account. Once you go on the actor, search for the Apollo Scraper Unlimited. Okay, this one. Once you go over there, if I go back, all right. So login, after that, log into the Apollo, create your free account on the Apollo. Go on the people or the companies based on what kind of clients you need. So first thing, before you start with this automation, make sure you have your ideal customer avatar, right? You need to have their demographics, like where they live, what they do, right? What is their title, job title or business title, what kind of work they do. So once you have all those data, their demographics, it will help you to find the ideal clients, all right? So that you can close them faster, the conversion rate will be high. Now, once you have this data, so go on the Apollo, and once you choose on the people, on the left hand side, you will see a lot of filters over there. So first is the list, persona, email status, job title. So in the job title, you have to look, are you looking for the CEO? Are you looking for the marketing executives? Are you looking for the uh, co-founders, founders, or what kind of people are you looking for? What are the keywords that they have? So on the job title, you have to search for that kind of person whom you are looking for. Okay, then in the company, are they belong to any specific company? You can search for that over here. Okay, like if they are from Google, you are looking people from Google or the LinkedIn or the Microsoft, those big companies. Then you can also apply that filter. So I am not applying that filter over here. Now after that, which location are they from? Are they from, depends on where, what, which location clients you are looking for. You can simply apply that location. So for the example, I put the Norway here. Okay, then the most important thing over here is the, where it is, this industry and keywords. So you need to check like what kind of keywords, what kind of industry they belong to. Okay, so if you don't have any specific job titles for them, you can have choose the keywords, right, to find a specific kind of people you are looking for. So it's not necessary to be the CEO or co-founder. Based on what kind of product you have, what kind of service you have, you have to first figure out the demographics of your ideal customer, and then you can apply the filter. Once you apply the filter on the Apollo, simply copy this URL from top. Okay, here you have to create this scrap lead thing. So method will be the post, and that URL, this URL we will get after going the Epify. So first thing, on the Epify, the URL that copied from the Apollo, go on the Epify, find this actor Apollo Scraper Unlimited and paste this URL over here. So this Apollo, this Epify thing, use the Apollo software to scrap this data, this URL data. Okay, in the start page, keep it 1. Make sure to keep this as get emails, because we need the email data to like connect with those people. Then make sure to turn on this option, exclude people without email, so we don't get the data where the email is not present. Otherwise we can't able to contact them. Then in the total number of records required, so how many data you want, like in every time you scrape the leads, 10, 20, 30, 100, 500. If you are doing it for the client generation, I recommend to like 100 to 500 data at one time. So you can like simply send them a bulk email using your email marketing platforms. Okay, but you need a proper email marketing platform, CRM software for that, and your company domain name. Okay, then I recommend to for the demo I just keep 10 over here. But once you scrape the data for your client generation, keep it like 500 or more than that. Once you've done that, click on the JSON, okay, and copy this JSON code over here. Now go back to the n8n software over here. Inside the send body you have to paste that JSON code over here. All right, now another thing, you need this URL. So this URL is made of two different things. You can copy this URL from here. So first thing that is made of is this name, which is you see. So this is the username of this tool, this actor. So you can copy that name from here. All right. And second thing, it is made up of the access token that connect the Apify with the n8n. So where you get this token, go to the settings in n8n from here, and here you can find the API token on the settings. So copy the token from here and paste the token at the end where it's saying token is equal to, just paste your token. So once you've done that, then it can scrape the leads from there. Okay, you see this is one of the example where I scrape the data. Now first thing that you did is scraping the data. Now we have to verify the emails, but basically this is the step where we make sure this do the complete process and we don't interrupt it between it is working. So for example, if you are collecting like 500,000 data, it may take like a minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes to collect that much big data. So we need to give at least a minute, 2 minutes to go to the next step. That's why we have to make sure there is a proper delay between them. I am just scraping 10 leads for the demo, so I just give a 10 seconds. But if you are scraping thousands of leads, then give it like 5 minutes or something. Okay, so once you did that, next step is to fetch the data. So first we scrape the data, but now we need the data in a proper format. How we do that? So for that we have this fetch data. So if you go inside this, we need this URL, complete URL over here. Okay, so you can copy this. It is made up of two different things, again access token, and second is this thing. You see this JSON ID, this dataset ID. So you can get your dataset ID from here. So you can simply search for sorry, not here. You can simply search for dataset ID, and here you see this is a dataset ID. So you can drag and drop this over here. All right, so I already dropped the dataset ID, and this will be a variable, so it keep changing for every time. Okay, so once you do that, you will see the data in this format over here. All right, and you can see the multiple data that it bring. So last time I did, it brings 6 data. Previously it bring around 16 or 17 data, like that. So it keeps changing, but once you scrape a long bulk data like thousands of emails, thousands of uh, company profile, then you will can follow up in the bulk, right? And you can close the clients in bulk at a time. Now once you do that, we need to organize this data in a proper table format. All right, so for that we need to connect Airtable with this. So here we first, your Airtable connection is not established first time when you do it. So click on that, create new credential, pass the API key from your Airtable. All right, so go on the Airtable, create your account. Here you can see I passed some of the data, I scraped this data. Now once you do that, go on the Airtable, create your free account and create this database. Okay, and create this table. On this table you can use the email, first name, last name, LinkedIn profile, phone number, and based on how much more data you need, if you need their other details, you can also input that. Now go back to the n8n. Here you have to map the fields properly. You don't need to change anything over here, simply map the details over here. So in the email column, you have to pass the email data from here, just drag and drop. In the first name column, you have to pass the first name. In the last name column, pass the last name, and similar to this. Okay, So in that way, this will be ready. Now I will show you how to will show you an example by doing it a demo. So I will click test workflow. So right now you can see I have only 17 data, and when I test this we will get more data. So let's see here. You see it triggered. We scrape the data and now it is waiting. So we bring all the data, let the scrape function done, and then we will fetch all the data from here. So you see the fetching is started and now we are putting all the data in the Airtable. So if I go on the Airtable, once it's done, okay. So now I will refresh it and we can also see the data over here. So if I go inside this, you see these are the new data that we just bring. So if I go here again, you see last time we had 17 data, now we have 21 rows here. So this is the data that we just imported. So once you do this, you will can easily close the clients. After you import this much data, get your email sequences ready where you are sending them the promotional emails, but in a way that it's not just promotional, but also providing value. So once you have that cold messaging proper formats available, you can send them to these people, which is your ideal client avatar. Once you do that, you will easily able to close them. All right. So this is the whole thing. If you wanted this step by step process for this, how you can build this from scratch in the n8n, then you can simply join my school membership. The link is in the description. There I explained step by step process how you can build it from scratch. All right. And the all the code that used in this and the URLs that used in this, everything, how you set up the integration between different tools. So I covered everything in that video, and that is the part of the classroom, the my membership. So you can join the school membership. I also covered a lot of different automations over there that will help you to save your time, help you to make your money, get more clients. Okay, organize your business more so that you can relax more and let the business go on autopilot. All right. And don't forget to subscribe the channel because I keep uploading more videos like this where I will try to help you to automate your business so that you can save more time and make more money. All right. So I will see you in the next video.